Welcome back. I hope you're enjoying the holidays with family and friends. I am starting on a new adventure this year. Comment below, let me know if you're starting a new adventure with journaling or planning. I'm going to start a new planning journey with Hubman and Chubgirl. And I got my stuff a couple days ago. And they have a welcome here, and there's some welcome things on a card that they also send when you are new to their subscription that are helpful for you. And I'm going to set those aside. And this is the Ultimate Stationery Box, and this is for January. And I also ordered a planner from them. And then I believe every new subscription also gets a journal. I ordered some 2026 Happy New Year stickers to start my journal. And I have a sticker from them that says, "I had fun protecting your package. My job here is done, but the journey was long and I'm looking for a place to rest. Did you have a place for me to settle down for a bit?" So that's really cute. And they send you a spacing grid also. And look at the inside of this box. Isn't that gorgeous? That is a box that you can use again for storing, and I'll probably store my things from her in here for part of it. And part of it I have one of her sticker journals that I will be using that I got in the plant advent box. So I'm going to set this aside. First, I'm going to open the 2026 item. I'm going to use this. I'm planning to use it for the first opening page of the journal I'm going to be doing. And it's just, I believe, a single page. I just wanted to do a 2-page spread for opening the new year. Then this is the journal that they include free, I believe, with the new subscriptions. It's not one that I ordered. It's very cute. It's kind of an all-around theme there. And has the pocket in the back and the Hubman Chubgirl there. And it is a dot grid. It's a very fine print dot grid, so it's not real noticeable. It does have a bookmark there. Very nice. And then this is the planner I picked. I garden throughout the summer, and I love it. So I do have some indoor plants. They do not survive as well as my outdoor plants. House plants just kind of escape me at times. I spend a lot of my winter journaling and crafting, and therefore the plant things kind of go on the back burner. But I do start a lot of my plants indoors, so this journal will also help keep me on track with that. And let's see, it's a pre-printed planner, I believe. I thought. Well, maybe not. Oh, here it is. Okay, it is. Just the first few pages you can put, I'm sure, the opening spread if you want there, or if you want to just do a single page spread. And then you can do things like your goals for the year. And then it is not dated, so you date it for each month that you want. And it does have a nice to-do list along the side. It is a nice large box, so you can fill in on each day what you plan for each day. And it looks like it goes by a monthly here, and then looks like we go weekly after that, which is great, because you can do each week and plan out each day of the week. You could use your monthlies for things like birthdays, anniversaries, special events. So lots and lots of pages there. That will be something new for me. I've used Happy Planner in the past. I've never used Hubman Chubgirl, so that will be something new. And here we have a beautiful sticker. This is Happy Mail from Toronto with Love. They are a Canadian-based company, small company. And this paper is very, very sturdy. So let's take everything out of the box and we'll go through each piece. So first we have this beautiful enamel pin from her. Has 2 hooks on the back, so you can put that in one of your bags if you like. And then we have 2 washies. One is jellyfish and stars. Looks like maybe some clouds there too. And it's called Dreamy Jellies. And this one is called Sweet Dreams, and it has clouds and stars. It's very sweet. So this will be used for the January theme for my planner. Then we have the, let's see, 3M vinyl stickers. They're UV resistant laminate. They are waterproof. So if you have a drinker you want to decorate, this would be perfect. Oops. So we have some very cute little jellyfish. And this are some planner sheets. Looks like we've got our numbers to number the days. We've got our days of the week. We've got other stickers that say when bills are due, when it's payday, when you have a day off. Some to-do stickers that you can put in, and then some plain ones you can add in. We have some washi strips and some other little icons. These are cute. You use these to decorate your days. Plus you have to do, work, groceries, work, note to self. Here we have some plain ones to add in. Here we have weekend. We also have more washi, more to-do list, another week of days, and here we have days for the rest of the weeks that we have in our planner. And this one is the variety sticker pack. And being new to this subscription, I did go with the bigger subscription so that I could, because I wasn't quite sure what everything was. So here we have some stickers and some clouds. Here we have some Kiss Cut stickers that would be cute in your planner for certain days. Here we have some Kiss Cut clear stickers of stars, moons, and clouds. Some more stickers, go with the flow, with love. And they have like prices on them, like stamps. And some more beautiful stickers. Oh, and these have some, I don't know what you would call it, some glow to them. Like they're, if you move them around, they sparkle. Okay. Dreamy Jellies planner kit. So this is a planner kit that probably goes with our planner. The other one might have been a Hobonichi kit. I'm not sure. I don't work with Hobonichis at all. But here we have some more beautiful stickers. Here's the plain stickers that you can put your own headings in. Here's to-do stickers. And here we have days of the week. Now my favorite part of this was that it comes with something to hold your stickers in your sticker planner. So we have these nice little, almost like bullet journal stickers. These are so cute. And they slide in from the top. So that also is very helpful to keep things from falling out of your planner. And here we have the month stickers. Some more days of the week stickers, number stickers. So you get quite a bit of stuff to set up your planner. I think that is awesome. Let's see what we have in the back and the big stickers. Something tells me I'm going to have to order more of these holders though, because I've got lots of stickers here. Oh, this was in the back maybe of the other one. Oh no, it's in the back of this one. I got two little jellyfish way at the bottom there. Pull them out. Those are really cute. And then, see what this is. If you guys use Hubman and Chubgirl, if you could comment below, let me know how you use yours and give me some ideas. Oh, this is a small sticky pad. Okay. And here we have some more decorative stickers. And then a note about Dreamy Jellies. Oh, and I love that. Isn't that gorgeous? So, let me know what you think. Please like, share, and comment below. Help my channel grow. Let me know if you use Hubman and Chubgirl stickers, if you belong to any of the sticker clubs for her, and how you use those. And I will see you next time. Bye now.